POCO is gearing up to launch two new smartphones from its POCO M5 series. This includes the new M5 model as well as the M5s variant. We already covered a report regarding the M5 4G model earlier 23rd August 2022. Now we have more details regarding the M5s model. According to known tipster Mukul Sharma, the POCO M5s smartphone was spotted on the TDRA certification website. This basically hints that the device's launch is not too far away. Notably, the M5s model was just recently spotted on another certification listing as well, namely the NBTC website, which suggested that the smartphone will be launched as a rebranded version of the Redmi Note 10s. Looking at the TDRA certification listing, we can see that the device was listed with the model number 227U117BPG. But unfortunately, the listing did not reveal any finer details regarding the POCO M5s smartphone, like its specifications or features. However, the NBTC listing also implies that the upcoming device will be launching in Thailand soon. Since the M5s is believed to be a rebadged version of the Redmi Note 10s, we do have some specifications based on the previously launched model. The Redmi Note 10s launched in 3 storage configurations and housed a MediaTek Helio G95 SoC. On the front, the device sported a 6.43-inch AMOLED display that has a full HD+ resolution. Meanwhile, the rear packs a 64-megapixel quad camera setup, and the front has a 13-megapixel selfie shooter. The Note 10s is powered by a large 5000 mAh battery pack that also supports 33-watt fast charging. Thank you for watching this video. I am waiting for this phone to make a full review. Write what you think about it. Have a nice day, and see you soon.